Okay, just a really quick update. I made some progress on the bed this week. I got the, structure of the bed all put together. I used some angle to go around the fuel cell and to go around the shock towers. I think I am going to take these shock towers out probably next year. I'm going to go underneath the frame, and I don't really need these giant things. So the coilovers are going to get swapped out probably next year, though. I'm going to get it on the road, get driving it, and worry about that change after. So this is just a kind of temporary. I can hack out this and then run the board the full length. And then around the fuel cell, I'm still trying to figure out what to do. I may just get a metal cover built for over top, or I might just leave it open. The vent is just temporary. I am gonna run a hose down and away so it doesn't have this ugly thing sitting on top. A little bit of wiring to do. I got the bumper on. So this bumper was from my other truck when I bought it, which that other truck got a restoration. So this bumper wasn't correct, but it was still a really good bumper, really good steel. So I kept it. Been holding on to it now for 5 years, and now it's on this truck. So it's bracketed and bolted into the frame. So that should be good. I'm just waiting on some proper mounts for the tailgate, and yeah, this should be good. I think I'm gonna take it off, give it a quick coat of paint so we're not dripping rusty bits all over the place. Maybe a little bit more welding on the rails on the side, but besides that, this part can be buttoned up. And just to follow up, this is the wood bed I'm gonna run for now. So I got some trailer deck screws coming to screw into the subframe. So they're like self-tapping, flush-mounted torque screws that are for trailer decks. So that'll put this down. This is just 1x12 rough cut pine. And I think it works, suits the truck. Don't really care if it gets destroyed. It's strong enough to throw some stuff on the back. For now, I'm gonna run it this way. Like I said, the coilovers are probably coming out, so I'll be able to run this piece straight up. So that'll be okay. And then I think I'm going to weld some tie downs on the inside of the bed. So if I do end up throwing anything in the back of this truck, I can just strap it down. Since I basically have almost no bed, it's almost basically a flatbed. But yeah, just to follow up, that's what I'm gonna run for the bed.